See how beautiful and elegant this gathers is. I'm going to show you how to make it in this tutorials. And then for this beautiful sleeve, this open shoulder sleeve, if you want to make it, the tutorials is on my channel. You can go to my channel and see how I made this beautiful sleeve. Thank you. Let's dive right into the tutorials. Okay, this is basically how you make gathers for your how to gather your fabric, to make your gathers neat, how to make the neat gathers. So I already started, but let me just erase it. This is what you do. I already hemmed the edge of the material, already folded the edge. So you just get your material, you put it, you neatly sew. As you sew, you gather it. That is how you get a neat gather and a firm gather. So by the time you're attaching it to the garments, or you're attaching it to your dress, it will not be scattered. As you sew, you gather it, and then you sew. Yeah, like that. So if you want your gathers to be very tight, this is what it's looking like now. If you want your gathers to be very full, the same thing, you increase the rate of the fabric you pack. So this is it. You just gather your fabric and then you sew. Take your time, you do it gently. You're going to have a very neat gather. So we are done and the gathers is ready. So this is what we are having now. Can you see it? Can you see how they are? So by the time I add this to the upper bodies, you're going to see how beautiful it will come out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely tutorials from Gracious Trends. Thank you.